In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Jira. Whether you're working on a complex project or just need to focus a bit more on the details, knowing how to efficiently zoom in can make your experience much smoother. So let's delve into how you can achieve this with ease. First, we need to navigate to the right place. Open up your browser and head over to your Jira dashboard. If you're not already there, type in the URL to access your Jira software. Once you're logged in, look for the Scrum board. In this example, I'll be directing you towards Scrum Sprint 2, which resides in one of the various Jira Agile boards. Jira boards are essentially organized spaces that allow teams to manage their projects and workflows, providing a visual overview of your tasks and progress. Make sure you're familiar with this screen as it's often your hub for project management activities. It's worth taking a minute to familiarize yourself with your Scrum board's layout if you haven't already done so. Now that you've landed on your Scrum board, let's talk about zooming in. One of the most straightforward ways to do this on your browser is by using your keyboard. Navigate to a part of your board, maybe a section or ticket that you find is a bit detailed and now you want to see it more clearly. To zoom in, you'll need to press the Control key on your keyboard, which is often labeled as Control and located in the lower left corner. While keeping that key pressed, tap the plus icon, also known as the plus key, and it's usually found on the top right of your keyboard. On some keyboards, especially those designed for laptops or compact layouts, you may find this key towards the center. Pressing this combination increases the zoom level incrementally, making everything on your screen appear larger and more legible. This method is particularly effective if you're working on a high resolution monitor where elements may appear slightly smaller than you'd like. The zooming function works universally across your browser, meaning you won't have to make adjustments specific to Jira or any other web application you're using. As you continue to press the plus key while holding Control, Jira will appear closer, allowing you to view the text, graphs, and boxes with greater clarity. This can be especially helpful if you're reviewing tickets, as each task card will be more prominently displayed on your screen. It's a good practice to gradually zoom in until you reach the level where you're comfortable with the visibility of your board. There isn't a right or wrong amount of zoom, it's all about what works for you and your display. In the event that you've zoomed in too far, or want to reduce the size, simply reverse the process. By holding the Control key and tapping the minus key, you can reduce your zoom level. This key is usually located right next to the plus key, making it easy to remember the sequence and quickly adapted to whatever visual needs you have at hand. You might wonder how this impacts the functionality within Jira. While zooming in and out changes the way things are displayed, it doesn't alter the actual data or the layout defined within Jira. So regardless of the zoom level, you can trust that the board structure remains the same, and you won't inadvertently change or lose data as you adjust the view. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your viewing experience on Jira through zooming. Take this time to adjust your setup and find the zoom level that suits you best. Additionally, if you encounter any variations, especially with different operating systems, remember that instructions might slightly differ. But in most cases, the Control and plus or minus keys are your go-to shortcuts. Remember, Jira is a powerful tool and its usability is augmented when you can view it comfortably and clearly. By incorporating these small adjustments, you can improve both your focus on tasks and your overall productivity, making sure no detail goes unnoticed. As you continue using Jira, these shortcuts will become second nature, streamlining your workflow even more. That's all for today's tutorial on how to zoom in on Jira. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been a helpful guide for enhancing your Jira experience. Make sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to learn more tips and tricks for optimizing your workflow in various applications. Until next time, happy project managing.